Welcome to OhayouQuest, the ultimate Japanese learning app designed to make mastering hiragana and katakana both fun and engaging. We have two quests here to play, hiragana and katakana. There are 26 levels in Hiragana Quest. There are 26 levels in Katakana Quest. Click Take Quiz on the homepage to pretest right away. Let's do that.
ぐ、
ぐ、
ご、
げ、
げ、
On the right there are 5 vowels, and on the left are the consonants.
外国、ぎ、
ぎ、
出口、出口、ご飯、ご飯。月曜日、1月、1月。右、
Get it all right, you will get 3 stars. You can change your profile avatar. Romaji is great for getting started, but to learn kanas, try turning off Show Romaji. This way, you will train yourself to recognize hiragana and katakana directly, and soon, reading them will feel completely natural. In each level, you can take a quiz, study, and play a minigame. Let's explore this level together. Normally there are 5 kanas in each level. For this hiragana ka, think of it like a knife cutting sushi. Our picture-based mnemonics makes learning faster and more memorable. You can tap the picture, and the kana overlay will appear to help you connect the image with the kana strokes. You can see how to write the kana. Also, to learn real-world examples, just click on the button or the words to hear the pronunciation.
turtle,
柿、
oyster,
Read the pick
顔、
hint words.
face,
影、
shadow,
Then take a quiz to test how well you remembered it.
く、
け、
北、
Play the Match 2 game to strengthen your kana recognition and pronunciation.
Uh-oh! か、
き、
こ、
く、
Uh-oh!
こ、
け、
き。
After each quiz, you'll get a score for that level. Aim for 3 stars, then move on. We'll cover hiragana, dakuten, handakuten, and youon. Hiragana and katakana are the building blocks of Japanese, but with so many characters they can feel overwhelming. Our picture-based method makes learning them faster, easier, and enjoyable. Hit by an apple. Think Hawaii. Think as in pulley. Think angelic shinobi. Think olive. Happy learning.